Hello, good evening friend. And let us see the question number 6.5. Out of C and CO, which is the better reducing agent at 673 Kelvin? Okay. So the question is, that is 673 Kelvin is there and they are asking which is better, that is C or CO. Dear student, they are asking which is better reducing agent at 673 Kelvin. Better reducing agent we have to find, Ra. So dear student, let us read out the slide firstly. The slide is saying that at 673 Kelvin, the value of delta G CO is less than that of the delta G C. Therefore, CO can be reduced, okay, more easily to CO2 than C to CO. Hence, the CO is better reducing agent than C. Okay, at 673 Kelvin. Now let us see, this question is based on the Ellingham diagram, student, which you can understand easily on the board. Okay, try to come on the board, student. What you will find, student, here I already draw the Ellingham diagram. So what is happening in this diagram, student? Firstly, you see on the top, C is converting into CO, the CO2, and CO is also converting into CO2. Okay, this is also CO2. Dear student, if you see, that is C to CO2, delta G value here we want to write, delta G value. And you know, delta G value, if more negative is there, so reaction will be spontaneous. So now come to the board, student. Here you see, student, what is the value? So delta G value, if we talk about, that is CO2O2, CO plus O2, it is giving CO2. So what is the delta G value is minus 600. This is minus 600. Okay, CO2O2, that is giving, that is minus 600. So that is CO is minus 600 is there, student. Now you check out, student. Okay, and here you see, student, for the C plus O2, CO2 is having minus 400, student, minus 400 kilojoule per mole. Okay, student, come on the top again, student, try to understand. See, this reaction, student, more the negative, this will be the most feasible. Okay, more the negative, the reaction will be, student, more feasible. If you talk about, if this is the more negative, so this is the more feasible, more feasible, or you can say most spontaneous, means what is strong reducing agent? What is, student? Strong reducing agent. Okay, reducing agent. So that you have to keep in mind, student. What you have to keep in mind, that here you see, that is point of cross section. At that time, that point, they are saying the temperature is nearly, that is around 1000 Kelvin, but they are asking that is lower temperature, and which at lower temperature which have more negative delta G value. This is the delta G value. So lower temperature, this is 500, student, 500, or that is above 500. The more negative value of delta G is 600. For with this one, student, this is for CO. So that is more negative value means more spontaneous process. So that is, which one is better reducing agent, student? CO is better reducing agent at 673 Kelvin than carbon. So correct option will be, that is our CO. So this is all about our answer, student. Thank you so much for watching this number question, student. Thank you.